Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's task is setting up basic authentication for a static website hosted on Apache. First, let's look at our requirements. We have a website file on our jump server that needs to be moved to App Server 3. Step 1. Verify the file exists at /tmp/index.html. It's there. Now, let's use SCP to securely copy this file over to the App Server 3. We'll drop it in TMP for now. Now, let's jump into App Server 3. We'll SSH in and immediately switch to the root user to ensure we have the permissions needed to modify web directories and system services. The task requires a specific directory /va/www/html/itadmin. If it's not there, we create it using mkdir. Always double-check your spelling on these paths. With the directory ready, we move our index.html from the temp folder into the new web root. This is the content we're going to protect. Now for the security, we need to create a user named Mariam. Instead of a system user, we use the htpasswd command to create a dedicated Apache credential file. Use the -c flag to create the file and set the password. We check the status of HTTPD. It's currently inactive. So, we'll use enable -- now to start the service and ensure it boots up automatically after a restart. Finally, the moment of truth. We'll test the site using CURL. Success. The HTML content is returned. Everything looks solid. We hit check and there we go. Task completed. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux Level 3 challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.